Good evening, students. Welcome to Education Express. Students, starting this session, I am telling you one thing. While you people are watching this video, simultaneously you have to note down all the vocabularies. Because as you know, the exam is knocking at the door. Okay? So for the exam purpose, you have to remember all the vocabularies as possible as. So there may be a question arising in your mind, ma'am, how to remember the vocabularies for the long time? Guys, you can see there is a like Venn diagram, right? There is a Venn diagram you can see. So here the total vocabulary or whatever the vocabulary people are reading, this is the only way you have to memorize. See, by the first you have to listen, isn't it? First you have to listen, then you have to reading, then you will start for speaking, and then you will have to writing. Okay, so these are all the ways that you have to remember all the vocabularies. I think I need not to explain more about it. So coming to the main point. Okay, so today first word, the first one word is that is cumulative. Cumulative ro mane kona? Cumulative ro mane किछि गोटे जिनस आम increase करवा, progress करवा, develop करवा, we can say. So here cumulative means we can say increasing or progressive. If I'll take an example of cumulative, nowadays the number of corona affected people is cumulative as per the Central Health Department. Okay. Second one, that one is dwindle. Dwindle रो माने होची reduce और decay. Gradually reduce करिबा, धीरे धीरे गोटे जिनस कमी जीवो, decaying हे जीवो, ताको आमे कहबा dwindle. आमे कहि परिबा गोटे example, due to this pandemic period, now the Indian economy is going to dwindle. ओके, तमन धीरे धीरे से कमिबा को जाउची, डिके होबा को जाउची, रिड्यूस होबा को जाउची. ओके, coming to the next word, this word is that is panas. See, it is not panic. Okay, the right pronunciation is that is panas. Panas means what? Confidence. As we all know, the word confidence is very common to all of you. Okay, so confidence जदि आम यूज करुचे ताको सेंटेंस रे, तो गोटे एग्जांपल आम नहीं पारिबा, each and every individual should have panas to face all the critical situation. Coming to the next word, accrue. Accrue means also develop, evolve, emerge. गोटे जिनस आम इवल्व करवा, ताको डेभलप करवा, इमर्ज करवा, माने आगु को आहुरी ताको आम एक्सटेंड करवा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्रोकास्टिनेशन. Procrastination means what? Avoid. Procrastination means here avoid. You can see gote, this is actually not, we cannot use as a like you are avoiding me. I made avoid, but we cannot use here procrastination as a verb, as it is already mentioned here. We have to use procrastination as a noun. So here the process of avoiding, actually it is known as procrastination. Okay, for example, maximum government employees prefer a procrastination for the common people. Okay, गोटे कार्य करेबारे ताको आमे विलंब करेबा, अवॉइड करेबा, बारंबार ताको लेख आमे ताको लेख हेक्टिक करेबा, that is known as procrastination. Coming to the next, that one is micro, isn't it? See, we people all know that here micro, this is very small. Micro means what? Small or tiny, you can say. So micro, it means small, but when we are talking about macro, okay, that one is opposite of micro. Micro means small, macro means something large. So when we are talking about macrosome, it means tiny things, okay, very small things. Then rampage. There is a word that is rampage. Rampage means what? Disruption, turbulence. It means something disturbance. Okay, so we can say, for the example, due to the rampage, every family members are suffering a lot of problem. Clear? But remember one thing, there is another word, rampart. See, there is another word, what? Rampart. RAMPART. Okay, rampart means what? Strong walls. ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଆମେ ନେବା ଦ ରାମ୍ପାର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ରେଡ୍ ଫୋର୍ଟ, ଲାଲକିଲ୍ଲାର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ୱାଲ୍ସ. ଓକେ, ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଇଜ୍ that is curve. कर्व माने होची एठी आमे कर्व को भर्ब हिसाब रे यूज करे जे. कर्व मीन्स कंट्रोल, हिंडर, कंस्ट्रेन और हैम्पर. कुछ किछ जिनस कंट्रोल करबा आमे कंस्ट्रेन करबा. ओके, सपोज आमे जदि इफ यू पीपल आर डिजाइनिंग ए फिगर or if you people are designing something a part of the machine, then at that time we have to use that a designing engineer should curve. A designing engineer should curve the outline of the machine. Okay, that means we have to marginalize the outline of the machine. Okay, and next word is manifest. Next one is manifest. So here manifest, actually there are two uses. We can use manifest as a noun as well as a verb. But जितने manifest को verb रे use करिबा ता माने हला किछि गोटे जिंस हम reveal करिबा and clear करिबा. Okay, for example, the death of or the cause of death of Sushant Singh Rajput is not manifesting yet. Till now सेटा clear हेई पारि नहीं. ओके, बट जितने आम ताको नाउन हिसाब रे यूज करिबा manifest means nothing else, it means simply that is list. ओके, जितने आम manifest को नाउन हिसाब रे यूज करिबा तार माने होची लिस्ट. सपोज जदि गोटे एग्जांपल में कहबा, जदि गोटे एग्जांपल आमे नबा तो आमे कहबा लाइक before attending the meeting we have to ready our manifest. Then next word equivocation. Equivocation means what? Doubt or confusion. Here it is a doubt or what? Confusion. So if I'll take an example, there is an equivocation among the people. There is an equivocation among the people for the solution of corona disease. Okay, there is a like a common equivocation whether there will be any vaccine or not for the coronavirus. So there is a doubt, confusion. Also we can use the word instead of equivocation, we can use that is chaos. Okay, or you can use that is dilemma. Okay, then next word is that is overt. Overt means क्या होता है? Here overt means vivid or very clear. If I'll say guys, this this case is very overt. This case is very clear, very vivid. Undoubtedly there is nothing in this case. There is nothing doubt, there is nothing equivocation in the case. So the case is very very overt. But जदि ओभर टाइप रो आ गोटे वर्ड आमे समटाइम्स एग्जाम रे सेटा आसे, जदि आमे ओभर टाइप रो आ गोटे वर्ड आमे यूज करूचे एंड दैट वन इज कवर्ट, COVERT. So here overt means vivid, but covert means होची कोन? That means secret. Okay, we can say covert means your secret, something secret. I think the case is very coveted. ए केस बोरे बहुत सारा secret अच्छी. Next word is disparate or disparate. We can say disparate means what? Miscellaneous. जदि आमे ओडिया रे कहबा मिश्रित, that means unequal, different kind of things. जदि suppose आमे ଗୋଟେ example कहबा like in our India there are disparate of religions are existing. Okay, next one. Next line is what? Contour. Next one is contour. Here you can see there is the word contour. Contour means क्या? Contour means outline or shape. बाहर boundary, बाहर जो shape टा आमे outline को ताको आमे कौन कोचे? Contour. Basically this word is used in सिविल और कंस्ट्रक्शन, यू कैन से सिविल और कंस्ट्रक्शन आम वर्डटा यूज करुचे. कंटोर सर्भे रे आम ताको बारंबार यूज करुचे. तो जदि गोटे आमको जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन देखुचे, सो पीपल आर यूजिंग in that case that is contour. Suppose for example the soldiers should be taken care of this contour of the place. Next word, that is subsume. Subsume ro mane kon hochi, that is include, incorporate or assemble. So here subsume is used as a verb. We can say assemble, include, incorporate. तो आम कि गोटे जिनस को आम गैदरिंग करवा, आसेम्बल करवा, गोटे परफेक्ट जिनस आम बनइबा. जदि गोटे एग्जांपल नबा, द एम्प्लॉइज आर सबज्यूमिंग ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द मशीन्स. ओके, गैदरिंग करूछन ताको असेंबल करूछन टू बी अ सिंगल और कंक्रीट आउटपुट. नेक्स्ट वन इज partake. Partake means nothing else, it means also participate. Okay, तो जदि हमें suppose if I'll take an example, each and every student should partake this session. But जदि partake आम यूज करूचे eat or drink हिसाब रे, तो suppose example like in last night my friend partook liquor. Okay, in last night my friend partook wine. तो सेठी हमें eat और drink purpose रे बुझाउचे. Next one is tenuous. Tenuous रो माने कोन, weak or fragile or thin. Weak or fragile or thin. Tenuous माने किछि गोटे रिलेशन हो, किछि गोटे जिनस फिजिकली हो, से धीरे धीरे दुर्बलता हो जिबा, हमें ताको कहबा tenuous. आमे जेमती जानले कि लास्ट आमर इंडिया और चाइना भितर तो गोटे टाइप रो जो रहुची, गोटे टाइप रो जो कन्फ्लिक्ट होची, गोटे टाइप रो जो क्लास होची. तो वी कैन से we are not sure, we can say that due to this conflict or due to this class, the relation between India and China may be tenuous. Okay, then next one is reluctance. Reluctance means what? Hesitancy or unwillingness. Willingness माने हमर इच्छा अछि, but unwillingness means we don't have any wish, we don't have any desire to do the work. That means you are reluctant to do this. Okay, so for example, in case of study purpose, a sincere student should not be reluctant. Next one word is antagonistic. Antagonistic रो माने हैला hostile और contrary, opposite दिगरे आमे कहबा विरोध रे, hostile. ओके, in contrary. ठीक अछि. तो आमे suppose antagonist रो जदि आमे opposite कहबा, that one is protagonist. Okay, if I'll take the antagonist, that is the opposite of the antagonist is protagonist. That means it is in favor of. Okay, so जदि आमे गोटे example नबा, in each और आमे कहबा कि mostly in movies there must be a character of antagonistic. Negative character भी गोटे रहुची. Coming to the next, and that word is what? That is motley. Motley रो माने भी various, combined, or you can say miscellaneous. Motley means also various, combined or miscellaneous. मिसी गोटे जिनस रहुची. If I'll tell one example that there are or you can say there is motley fishes in the river. There is motley fishes in the river. Variety category ro macho अछि. Next one is frolic. Frolic ro mane hela enjoyment. It is used as a noun. Maximum children prefer for frolic or enjoyment. Then next one is forbearance. See, forbearance माने इठी यूज आमे करूचे tolerance. Okay, and आमे instead of forbearance आमे आ गोटे वर्ड यूज करबा, तार माने हैला कोन, that is fortitude. FORTITUDE. then tude, TUD, fortitude. Fortitude ro mane hi forbearance and which means tolerance. Next word is alacrity. Alacrity means readiness, promptness, eagerness. This one is guys, this one is very important. Have a look properly. तो alacrity कहले गोटे जिनस आम promptness हवा माने बहुत इच्छा शक्ति रखिक आम गोटे जिनस कहूचे readiness, eagerly आम गोटे कहूचे. For example, when teacher asked the question, the students answered with alacrity. Okay, always remember alacrity is used with the preposition with. Always remember alacrity सहित सब with preposition टा यूज हवा. ओके, तो alacrity माने तत्परता. आम तत्पर हेगी जदि किछि गोटे आंसर दोजे तत्परता शीघ्रता तो ताको आमे कहबा alacrity. Next one is snowballed. Snowballed means what? Increase, proliferate. गोटे जिनस को आम इनक्रीज करवा, प्रोलिफरेट करवा, एक्सटेंड करवा. एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन से स्नोबॉल मीन्स ग्रो. ओके, वी कैन से स्नोबॉल मीन्स ग्रो. गोटे जिनस को आम बढ़ेवा. ऑलराइट, देन नेक्स्ट वन इज कर्नेल. Kernel means what? Here we people are using kernel as a noun. Okay, तो kernel माने कहले तार what is the stepping stone, what is the main step. ओके, गोटे स्टोरी जदि आम कह स्टोरी जिस्ट कौन तार कर्नेलटा कौन, राइट. सपोज इफ आई टेल एन एग्जांपल, इज देयर एनीवन हु कैन टेल मी द जिस्ट ऑफ द क्वारल. ओके, राइट. इफ आई टेल इज देयर एनीवन हु कैन टेल मी द जिस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, द जिस्ट है मेन पॉइंट, तार मेन स्टेम, तार स्टेपिंग स्टोन को आम कहूँ जिस्ट. तार कौन तार टोटाल सारांशटा कौन. देन and here you people have to always remember, okay, by writing and also by practicing, then only we can remember all the things. Coming to the idioms and phrases, and guys, it is very important, especially for SSC and all the OPSC exams. Okay, if I talking about AS exam, the questions are very that means there is maximum possibility for coming this kind of questions. So let me focus the first one. The first one is topsy turvy. टॉपसी टर्वी माने ताको जदि हम गोटे जिनस उल्टेवा, तलू ऊपर करवा या ऊपर को तल को करवा. सपोज आम कहवा व्हाट रबिश ही इज जस्ट डूइंग इट टॉपसी टर्वी. ओके, विथ बॉटम एट द टॉप. गोटे जिनस को तल ऊपर करवा, गोटे जिनस को किसी गोटे लाइक रैंडमली भाव में आम ताको नबा. नेक्स्ट वन इज ब्रिंग ऑल्स टू एथेंस. ओके, आम ये किसी गोटे समथिंग गोटे यूजलेस कथा कहे, पॉइंटलेस कथा कहे. सो समथिंग दैट इज वेरी पॉइंटलेस, नॉट ओनली खाली कथा कहवा, आम काम भी करवा. सो ब्रिंग ऑल्स टू एथेंस मीन्स समथिंग दैट इज वेरी पॉइंटलेस और दैट इज वेरी यूजलेस. देन थ्रू थिक एंड थिन इन ऑल कंडीशन. सबु कोणरू देखिले, सबु कोण अनुकोणरू देखिले, सबु दिगरू देखिले आम ताको से इडियम्सटा कहूचे थ्रू थिक एंड थिन. देन पेल मेल. Pell mell means what? In a hurried manner. If I'll say one of the example, don't work out the sum pell mell. Okay, don't work out the sum pell mell. Solve it carefully. Don't do any work in a hurried manner. जल्दी शीघ्रता है कि कौन से काम करवा उचित नुह. Okay, then next one. Paint the town red. It means nothing else. This is also very important. This is one of the phrases. This is one of the idioms related to the red. Paint the town red means go out and have a celebration. Okay, so suppose student manankar exam sari gala. After having the examination, the students painted the town red. That means they went out and they had a celebration. Next one is on the same page. Okay, on the same page means what? Thinking. Okay, thinking in a similar way, right? Thinking in a similar way. That means each and every people, they are having a same opinion, they are having a same way. तमे कहबा on the same page. But unfortunately, maximum cases, each and every individual are not on the same page because different persons have different mentality. Then coming to the last but not the least, that one is one word substitutions. And guys, I'll explain you all the words or maximum. There are very 3 to 4 important one word substitutions which have already come in the exam. First one is a critical jaws of any art and craft. Critical jaws come any art and craft jodi kichi gote rahuchi am taku कहबा, that is connoisseur. Second one who is recovering health after illness, that one is convalescent. सब एटा सब बहुत बहुत important मन रखा पड़िया. One is recovering health after illness, that is convalescent. Third one, a girl or woman who flirts with man. I think this is very common word to know you. That is coquette. This one is coquette. Last one, the punishment of being kept in school after hours. That is detention. Okay, gote mu word कहଥିଲି. I don't know you people might have remembered or not. I have told one word, that is truant. Okay, see, I am writing the word, that is truant. Truant, which means without having any permission. Without any permission, you just bunk the class or you just bunked from the office. बिना permission रे गोटे जगारू गोटे professional place को आमे ताको छाड़ीबा ताको आमे कहूची truant. But here my last one word is, that is all about the punishment of being kept in school after hours. Okay, after a school hour, the punishment that which is given, that is termed as, okay, that thing is known as, that is detention. Okay, so I think you people will enjoy and like these videos. Okay, so if you like properly and if you enjoy really, so please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you can get further notifications. Okay, thank you very much. Have a wonderful night.